SEI's price increased over 900% since the last year, but will we see even higher prices? Or do we see a crash to lower levels again? In this video I will talk about SEI and share my price prediction with potential price targets and potential buy zones. So let's go straight into the content. SEI is on place 51 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.3 billion. The coin is existent since 2023 and we saw the all-time high in 2024. And as you can see on the daily chart, we are clearly in a bullish trend, higher lows and higher highs all the way. And I think SEI is a great project with a very high potential. And as you can see, we built a higher high from this demand zone. Then we moved again into this demand zone. We retested it with this wick. And now we are starting to go to the upside again. So the chance that we continue the trend to the upside and make a higher high is really high. So for the near future, I'm very bullish. And I'm way more bullish for the long term. Because as you can see, SEI has just a market cap of $2.3 billion. So the potential to the upside is there. And if we would compare the market cap of SEI right now to the market cap of VeChain at the all-time high, we would have a potential over 7x and a price target of $6.65. And I think this comparison makes sense because VeChain was one of the best performing smaller cryptocurrencies in 2021. And if the trend of the total crypto market cap of the altcoins is rising to the upside, and if we're also breaking the last all-time high, which I think is really realistic because we have the Bitcoin spot ETF, massive money comes into the crypto market. And if the altcoins are pumping and just a small percentage flows into SEI, then the chance that we could see this potential price targets is really high. And from the prices right now to this kind of price tag, we would have potential over 600%. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. And I think the chance is also high that we could see much higher prices. But I think this kind of price target of $6.50 is really realistic for the next bull run. And if we now see a price increase and also broke this last high with the daily body close over this highs, then I think the chance is high that we could see a massive breakout to the upside. Because right now many altcoins are pumping, and if we are breaking the last all-time high, then the chance is high that we could see a price discovery for SEI. So we looked for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy zones for SEI. And as I said, I think the chance is really high that we could see massive price increases just from these prices. So I think if you're not invested right now, this is also a great potential long area. And if we would see a breakout out of the zone, and if we were to retest it, this last high right here, then I think this potential area is a great long area to get into a trade. But if we would see lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because after this low, we saw this move to the upside, we also tested this last highs. So if we come back into this zone, the chance that we continue the bullish trend is very high. And if we would see lower prices again and think that this is the swing for the Fibonacci tool, you can also see that we have the 0.618 Fibonacci right in this zone. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great area to get into a potential long trade on SEI. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like SEI, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, I'm really bullish on SEI. I think a potential of $6.65 for this bull run is really realistic. And if we are now breaking this last high to the upside, I think the chance is high that we could see a massive explosion for SEI. And if you're not invested right now, I would wait if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction. Or if we see a breakout to the upside and retested this last high, then I think it's also a great chance to get into a potential long trade. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.